I always wanted to explore what are the good things nature has to offer. Nutrilite is all about botanicals. So it's a very good marriage between me and Nutrilite. My name is Amit Chandra. I'm a phytochemist at Nutrilite. In Nutrilite, we are very particular about consistency in growing, analyzing, and delivering the raw materials in our products. We control the quality for Nutrilite botanicals, right from seed to the supplement stage. If we don't have the right seed, we don't have the right plant coming up, we may not have the right amount of phytonutrients. Each botanical has its own phytochemical fingerprint. If we do not pay attention to the fingerprint, it may not be that botanical that we want. Once they reach the peak of those phytonutrients, we have to harvest them. And then we process them to make the extracts and the raw materials which go into our products. The process that Nutrilite applies needs collaboration. A lot of people work together to ensure we maintain the quality to the supplement stage. We have a lot of scientists who understand those phytochemicals and manage the quality of the phytonutrients. We control the whole process starting from seed to supplement. It's a very good combination of nature and science coming together. That's why we call it best of nature, best of science.